Hello students, we will start with environment management in this video. Now, we all know that the atmosphere is very important in our daily life. It plays a very important role. It protects us from harmful radiation of the sun. Atmosphere help us to sustain life on earth by providing oxygen for human being and animal to breathe and carbon dioxide to plants. It keeps and help us warm due to greenhouse effect. So atmosphere plays a very important role in our surrounding. Now this atmosphere it changes according to two factors, that is weather and climate. Now climatic factors or weather related factors, it includes direction and speed of the wind, the temperature, atmospheric pressure, cloud, rainfall, humidity, visibility, etc. Now these factors are very important because our basic needs like food, clothing, shelter as well as our occupation all are dependent on these factors only. All these factors are responsible for all of the things that we do. Now, various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rock in the earth crust. The microbes are there in the soil which plays a very important role in the formation of organic matter. So, in all the way, climatic factors are very much important for us. So, what is weather and climate? First of all, weather is the atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place, whereas climate of a particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters which are recorded for many years. So this is the main difference between weather and climate. Now you must have seen that weather changes continuously. Today it is sunny, then the next day it starts to rain. The other day again we can see it is sunny. So this is weather, it changes continuously. It can even change in specific intervals of time. For 2 hours it may rain very heavily. After that you may see that sun has come out. So weather keeps on changing. On the other hand, climate remains constant in a region for a long duration. Now, for example, we can say rainy season, it's last for 3 to 4 months. Then we have winter season, it will again last for 2 to 3 months. So this is how the climate lasts for a long duration. So in short, I can say that weather is related to a specific location and specific time. Now, whatever weather is here in Mumbai, it is not necessary that the same weather will be also in the other parts of Maharashtra. So it keeps on changing as the location and also with time. But climate is related to a longer duration and a larger area. Changes in the weather may occur for a short period of time. There may be only some time in which the changes takes place, whereas the changes in the climate takes place slowly over a long period of time. This is the main difference between weather and climate. So now we know that what is weather and what is climate. But how do we come to know that weather keeps on changing? You must have seen in the news channel also. They keep on telling that this is the weather. After this time, this weather will be there. It will rain or it won't rain. So all of this is because of the study which is called as meteorology. It includes the study of storm, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. and etc. Now, the World Meteorological Organization was established by United Nations Organization on 23rd March 1950. Now, what they do in meteorology? So, they study about the storm, cloud, rainfall, all of these factors, and based on the study of these factors, weather forecasting is done. And why weather forecasting is important? As we common people can organize our life from this weather forecasting. For example, the farmers will come to know that how the rains, on which time the rains will fall, Even it is important for fisheries, for aviation services, for transport and all of the other organizations. So meteorology study is important, especially for human beings. Talking about India, so in India, the Indian Meteorological Department was founded in 1857 at Shimla, and it was founded by the British. Now the head office is at Pune and the regional office is at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur and Delhi. So the IMD, that is Indian Meteorological Department, it is an institute and they do various research on various aspects in this institute. They have various instruments through which they take out climatic readings. They even do predictions on the climate, that what type of climate is gonna come, about the weather forecasting and about the predictions about the climate which is related to seismology, and all of these predictions are done through the satellites, and through that they take out the readings and they come to know that what type of weather or climate changes can take place. Now all of this is important so that we can know more about our climate and we can plan things according to this climate only. If it rains a lot, then if weather forecasting is done, then the information can be given to the public that they don't have to go out and they need to take care of themselves. So all of this, that is Indian Meteorological Department, it is very important for us. Now there are various models and these models are used to predict about the monsoon and the climate changes that is going to take place. So these models include mathematical model, holistic model, statistical model, etc. Now mathematical model, in this the various mathematical objects, that is the data about the current climatic parameters, it is analyzed mathematically and we used a Param supercomputer in this. Then we have statistical model. In this, the data is comparatively, it is analyzed by the statistic and the predictions about the monsoon which is there in the present condition, and through that about the statistics they will learn about it and then the predictions are done. Next is the holistic model. Predictions are based upon the other parameters which are there in the other model. So all of those predictions are compared and then the holistic model is prepared and predictions are given. All of these models are used to predict about the environment and about the climatic changes that is going to take place.